Ya, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mitra JIC masih dipancarluaskan dari lantai dasar Gedung Sentral Bisnis Jakarta. Islamic Center Radio JIC 107.7 FM, suara peradaan Islam Jakarta, cerdas menginspirasi. Mitra yang terhormat Allah, apa kabarnya? Di kesempatan pagi hari ini, senang sekali rasanya Bobby Khalid kembali menemani Mitra JIC dan kembali di ruangan kita, yaitu di ruang studio mini Jakarta Islamic Center. Dan tentunya mitra yang terhormat Allah di kesempatan pagi hari ini di hari Senin yang insya Allah memberikan kita lebih semangat lagi dari sebelumnya. Mudah-mudahan Allah lancarkan segala urusan kita dan Allah mudahkan segala apa yang kita kerjakan di pagi hari ini.
Amin.
Mitra Jason Rahmatullah, seperti biasa, tentunya tak lupa salawat serta salam semoga selalu tercurahkan untuk junjungan kita, yaitu baginda Nabi besar Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Semoga rahmat tetap tercurah padanya, keluarganya, sahabatnya sampai pengikutnya hingga yang akhir nanti. Amin ya rabbal alamin. Dan mitra JIC dimanapun Anda berada, di kesempatan pagi hari ini kita akan mencoba sesuatu yang berbeda, mencoba sesuatu yang tentunya kemarin juga sudah mulai program ini, yaitu program Econ, ya Ustaz ya.
English Conversation.
English Conversation bersama Mr. Arifin yang alhamdulillah sudah di ruang siar kita pada kesempatan pagi hari ini. Dan mitra Jason Rahmatullah, kita akan sama-sama belajar learning something about English ya, dan tentang bagaimana berbicara dalam berbahasa Inggris, bagaimana membaca tulisan yang berbahasa Inggris, dan tentunya kita akan belajar banyak hal. Fun learning with English di kesempatan pagi hari ini bersama Mr. Arifin. Dengan tema kita pada pagi hari ini yaitu reading. Ya, reading. Reading itu membaca, ya, Mr. Arifin.
Iya.
Ya. Dan tentu kita akan sama-sama belajar tentang reading ini. Nah, mungkin Mr. Arifin ingin menyapa Mitra JC with speaking English and start acara kita pada pagi hari ini. Silakan.
Terima kasih banyak. Thank you very much, Mr. Bobby.
Yap, ya. Insyaallah.
Mitra GIC, thank you everybody. Good morning. Is it still morning ya?
Still morning.
Or afternoon? It's morning. Okay.
Morning.
Good morning everybody. Nice to see you again here in Radio GIC. We have a program, English Conversation program. We take a theme like fun with English. The English is fun. Not difficult. Yeah, I hope you always happy, and we want to study English today. We take for the first time, we take just reading. Yeah, many kind to learn English, and we start with reading. There are reading, pronunciation, vocabulary, and etc. But we start with reading because I think this is the easy ways to start it. We just read and reading. Don't care about pronunciation first. Don't care about the meaning. Jangan berpikir tentang artinya dulu. Jadi we just do with reading. And a lot of reading. Kalau kita banyak baca, they make more better and better. I think.
Better and better.
Yeah. Because many ways to do that, but for the first time, like what I said, we just try to do with reading. Are you agree with that?
Yes, I agree. Mitra JC sebenarnya I know about apa yang disampaikan Pak Arif. Maksudnya kadang saya mengerti bahasa Inggris, tapi artinya tuh paham tuh apa yang tadi disampaikan Pak Arif, kurang lebih ya memulai sesuatu dalam belajar bahasa Inggris adalah dengan banyak membaca, as much as you can.
It's just good. As much as you can.
Sehingga memang ketika nanti kita memahami bahasa Inggris tuh lebih mudah ya, Mr. Arifin.
Many people still like that. They know what they listening. Mereka tahu apa yang mereka dengarkan, but the problem is they cannot. I mean, if what they want to talk, they have problem there.
Kadang jadi, kita suka ngerti bahasanya tuh apa gitu, ngerti artinya. Oh, jadi kamu tuh maunya saya gini gitu. Tapi untuk
mengucapkannya kayak ada something yang apa
something
di sini
gitu.
Something error gitu ya. That's why karena tidak terbiasa. And the problem is we are not confident sudah. Kita kurang percaya diri. Masih
Confidence
merasa.
like nyaman ya.
No, confidence is percaya diri.
Percaya
PD,
diri,
ya.
confident.
It's confidence ya. Ya, yuk.
Okay.
Plus one vocabulary ya, nambah satu kata.
Oh iya.
Confidence.
Confidence.
Yeah. It's a problem for
Confident.
problem for us. Masalah buat kita itu many people not confident with English. Mereka tidak percaya diri untuk berbahasa Inggris. Padahal it is simple. Make like when you meet your friend, you just say, "Hi, how are you? Good morning." And this is already you speak English. Ya.
Cuma kendalanya memang kenapa orang-orang takut mencoba adalah ketika mereka belajar bahasa Inggris dikatain so Inggris, Mr. Arifin.
Itu dia.
Gimana?
Jadi we want to learn, but others people say so Inggris loh, gitu kan?
Nah, iya,
That's the problem. Never care about that. Jangan pedulikan itu gitu loh. You just speak up, ngomong aja. Every day you have to speak English. You try. Your phone have to be setting in English. Yeah. You read books in English.
Meskipun nggak tahu artinya.
Iya, meskipun nggak.
Why?
Yeah.
Why, Pak Arifin?
Yeah, this is
Why we must
we
reading
we
in
take
English?
from the first time kita ambil membaca dulu. Ya. Kita don't even think about the meaning. Jangan memikirkan apa artinya dulu, pronunciation. Next, this is for the next. The first we take reading. We can say for reading, for example,
Yes.
we prepare already the text. Can you?
Oke.
Yeah, we have
Siap.
text here.
Jadi Mitra JC
Yeah.
kita akan coba untuk menggeser
Ya.
slide yang ada di sini tentang new and old. Ini ada sebuah contoh.
Ya.
Example.
Ini contoh sampel for reading. This is like a short paragraph. Kita bisa coba nanti kita baca, terus kita baca apapun. Kalau ya don't have too much, artinya jangan terlalu banyak, tapi routine. Let's try with this. Yeah, routine. It's the same. Yeah.
Routine.
Like this one. We try Mitra GAC, new and old.
New and old.
Yeah.
New.
We just reading first ya. Nanti
Just
mungkin
reading.
mix with the meaning. Nanti bisa di artinya boleh lah. But for the first we just reading. New and old.
New and old.
Tomorrow is the first day of school. Barbara looks at her backpack. It has holes. It is dirty. She needs a new one. Her mom takes her shopping. There are so many backpacks. One backpack has yellow stars. Another one has rainbow strips. Barbara likes this one. She buys it. Yeah.
Oke.
Jadi kira-kira seperti itulah.
Jadi kita baca aja.
Baca aja, just baca.
Meskipun nggak tahu artinya.
Meskipun nggak tahu artinya. Can you try, Mr. Bobby? No problem with your accent. Just make it like perfect, but with your accent. No problem. We can try it.
Yes, I will try. New and old. Tomorrow is the first day of school. Barbara looks at her backpack. It has holes. It is dirty. She needs a new one. Her mom takes her shopping. There are so many backpacks. One backpack has yellow stars. Another one has rainbow strips. Barbara likes this one. She buys it.
Yeah.
Good,
Very good.
Iya, Masya Allah.
Just reading. You have the problem with this?
No problem.
No, I mean, for the first maybe it's because we are not routine for reading, yeah? Okay, we check. This is the paragraph. Also, when we are reading, there is also many vocabulary, new vocabulary with many words. And also here with inside with the grammar also. Ya.
Grammar.
Ya. So we try to meaning this one ya untuk
Meaning.
apa?
Terjemah.
Mengartikannya ya kan. Translate in bahasa. Kita mix lah ya, Mitra GIC. We make fun with English. So new and old.
New and old.
Iya. Baru dan lama. Iya. Old itu kalau diartikan bisa tua.
Iya.
Tapi karena di sini satunya new. Berarti satunya
baru.
Lama. Iya. New and old. Baru dan lama.
New.
Tomorrow is the first day of school. Besok adalah hari pertama masuk sekolah atau sekolah gitu ya. Kalau diartikan lebih ini kan, tapi kalau diartikan kata per kata, besok adalah hari pertama sekolah. Barbara looks at her backpack. Barbara melihat tasnya. Backpack, you know backpack? Backpack itu tas, tapi tas gendong.
Oh, tas gendong.
Iya, makanya dari ada istilah.
Berarti ada front pack itu ada ya? Front tuh.
No, ini hanya istilah. Kalau
backpack.
Tas dalam bahasa Inggris bag. Tapi kalau ini bagnya mana?
Nggak ada.
Bag is belakang. Pack like pak itu kan?
Ya,
packing ya. They call backpack is mean in Indonesia as ransel, tas punggung. They call backpack. Barbara looks at her backpack. Barbara melihat ranselnya. Gitu. It has holes.
Itu sudah berlubang.
Iya, banyak lubang. Ya, banyak lubang di tas itu. Ya. Karena holes-nya ada S-nya.
Ini jadi berlubang ya?
Ya itu di situlah. Jadi di sini mengandung.
Bukan many ya? Many holes gitu. Sama banyak berlubang.
Iya, terlalu ini. Iya, apa namanya? Sudah menerangkan. Kalau diterjemah, nah ini yang what I mean is also this is grammar here, ya kan? It has holes. Kalau mau diterjemahkan satu-satu, kenapa nanti pakai has? Nah, holes-nya itu lubang. Automatically this is many holes because many hole.
Ya.
Because with s, so we can with the many. It has holes.
It has holes.
It means holes. Many hole.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what I mean? You got it?
Yes. I mean.
It has holes. Banyak lubangnya. It is dirty. Ini kotor. She needs a new one. Dia membutuhkan yang baru. Tentunya backpack ya. Her mom takes her shopping. Ibunya Barbara maksudnya kan, membawanya pergi berbelanja, shopping. Nah, this is also here. Shopping, belanja. In English, if you see like S and H, SH, ya, Mitra GIC, you say like in Arabic, shin. Like in Indonesia, SY, syarat, something like that. Yeah.
Shopping.
Yeah, shopping. Also, English, something like that. This is not just S or
shopping.
Yeah, this is shin in Arabic. Yeah. Her mom takes her shopping. Ibunya dia membawanya berbelanja. There are so many backpacks. Di sana banyak sekali tas ransel. One backpack has yellow stars. Salah satunya tasnya
berwarna kuning.
Bercorak atau mempunyai bintang-bintang kuning. Starsnya banyak, jadi bintang-bintang kuning. Another one has rainbow stripes. Dan yang lainnya, nggak ada dan ya. Yang lainnya mempunyai corak garis pelangi.
Stripes, it's like garis ya?
Iya, strip. Garis. Yeah. Barbara likes this one. Barbara menyukai ini. She buys it. Dan dia membelinya. di sini kalau kita ingin kupas ya, ini juga mengandung kayak grammar, kenapa dia pakai looks pertamanya. Tomorrow is the first day of school. Barbara looks at her backpacks. Kenapa tidak pakai looks? Ini Mitra GIC we are not only reading ya, mixed with I explain with a little grammar and that. Looks. Kenapa dia pakai looks? Karena we talk about Barbara. Barbara is like the third person, kata ganti orang ketiga. When we yeah. She. Kalau kata ganti orang ketiga, she, he, it, itu pakainya has. Kalau dia kata kerja utuh pertama, maka ditambahi s. Makanya looks.
Barbara looks.
Yeah. Barbara looks at her backpack. If we change Barbara with she looks at her backpack. It has holes. Mempunyai, atau it itu gantinya backpack. It has holes. Mempunyai banyak lubang. It is dirty.
It is itu menunjukkan itu, bukan ini ya.
Ini bisa, itu bisa. Yang it itu menggantikan posisi daripada backpack. It is dirty. Artinya it's mean that the backpack was dirty. It is dirty. She needs a new one. Still using S here. She needs
A new one.
Her mom takes her shopping. There are so many backpacks. One backpack has yellow stars. Another one has rainbow stripes. Barbara likes this one. She buys it. Yeah.
She buys it.
Yeah. Dia membelinya. Yeah. We try in another words in many paragraph. What we also, if you find some newspaper with English, you can read maybe just 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you read it and take it up.
Lupakan itu.
No. Setelah membaca 10 menit udah taruh aja. But every day you have to read it in English. Harus membaca dalam bahasa Inggris. Now, not always newspaper. Now with this phone, with this smartphone, you can find in many media, YouTube or WhatsApp, many media they have English. So you can try. Like this one I found in YouTube and I try to copy here.
Jadi intinya adalah kita harus sering-sering membiasakan.
Ya,
membiasakan itu dalam bahasa Inggris membiasakan. It's habit. Habit. Mengubah habit kita ya untuk senantiasa membiasakan, membuat habit baru yaitu reading English.
Reading book, anything in English.
Anything in English you can read
it.
Sehingga nanti muncul kosakata vocabulary ya.
Vocabulary.
Lalu pronunciation, pengucapan.
Automatically if you reading many times, there are so many repeated. Akan banyak pengulangan and the new vocabulary, and you will remember it slowly, pelan, one by one, but you have to read more. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
You got it?
I agree. But mungkin ada beberapa orang yang mengatakan bahasa Inggris adalah bahasa yang tidak istiqomah dalam penggunaan. Betul nggak itu, Mister? Istiqomah kayak misal dur atau something.
Kalau boleh dibilang begitu ya. Kalau kritik kita begitu bagi. Tapi apapun itu memang bahasa mereka begitu. Tidak ada acuan baku untuk cara membacanya. Sometimes or not just sometimes, many times they make different with that. Contoh rumusan kalau ada O2 ya kayak tadi yang disampaikan Mas Bobi ini. Kalau ada O dua jejer dibacanya U. Like good,
Good.
look.
Look.
Ya. But kalau ada tulisan D-O-O-L yang artinya kalau in bahasa is pintu,
Door.
bacanya with door, not dur. Ya, it's
Good.
different.
Look. Oh,
Ya.
iya.
Mungkin
iya,
itu
iya.
yang Mas Bobi sebut nggak istiqomah ya.
Nggak istiqomah.
Ya nggak istiqomah.
Bukan ada saya. Ada misal-misal.
Bukan,
Oh,
maksudnya yang disampaikan itu tadi.
siap.
Ya. Karena itu, ya, that's why we have to read more. Harus sering membaca.
Hmm.
If we don't know how to spell it, how to pronounce it, we can also like open on the translate. There are so many tools here. Like we don't know one word, I can show you here. We have like in translate, Google Translate.
Google
Yeah,
Translate.
Google Translate. For example, we open this and we put one word. So what word will you hear? Choose one word.
This one would enter.
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 Enter
We
masuk
just
kali ya.
type here. Enter. If you, this is a symbol here.
Hmm.
If you want to hear how is to pronounce it, you can just take this one.
Iya, iya. Oh, enter.
Enter, yeah.
Enter.
This is so many tools to help you how to pronounce it, how to read it. Another word, this is enter is like very familiar,
Very familiar.
very familiar. Let's say another word with here.
Stripes mungkin.
Nah, stripes ya.
Stripes.
Stripes. In Bangladesh, guys.
Bangladesh.
And we just touch
Oh, yeah.
the speaker here.
Stripes.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Any words, you can ask help from here, from Google.
From Google.
So it's very easy,
Very easy.
very easy. Anything you can need, ask help here. Google Translate, many tools here.
Jadi sebenarnya sekarang semakin mengasihkan dan
Ini semakin
semakin
mengasihkan, semakin memudahkan
kita
Yeah.
dalam speaking with English.
You remember when we are on the school
Yep.
with many big book with
Big
a
book
dictionary,
vocabulary. Yeah.
dictionary. If we looking for one word, we have to find it like,
Why, like-
"No." Now it's easy, it's simple. We just types here what we need. Also, if we don't know, this already translate here. We can change. This is English first and bahasa. So we can make different. If you want to find the meaning in English, something we want to say, apa sih artinya lukisan? We just
Yeah,
type
lukisan.
here, lukisan. What is in English? Paint.
Pain.
It's very easy. Like how to spell it or how to pronounce it, just touch the speaker here. Paint.
Pain.
Yeah. In Indonesia too, they have. Yeah. It's so simple like that. Just simple like that.
Oh yeah, but yeah, I remember something about learning English. When I was working in Kumon.
Oh yeah.
Kumon.
You do that?
Yeah, I do
Masya
that.
Allah. It's
I-
great.
Teman saya itu teman kantor, friend office,
Yeah.
teach me about English. He said dalam bahasa Inggris, dalam baca dia mengatakan reading and aloud. Read aloud.
Read aloud.
Reading,
Yes.
jadi membaca sambil
Dikeraskan.
bersuara.
Iya. Yes,
Itu
of
bagaimana?
course. This is to practice our pronunciation.
Read aloud.
Yeah. Because this is not our mother language, bukan bahasa asli kita.
Iya.
So like this one, this is about pronunciation ya. Makanya harus bersuara keras, read and aloud.
Read aloud.
Untuk
Tomorrow
make
is the
it
first.
perfect. Like tomorrow, kalau mohon maaf ya,
Tomorrow,
Bunda JC, kalau orang kita kan bacanya kadang-kadang nih,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow is the first day of school. this is a very Indonesian
Very
accent.
Indonesian accent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we try to like a British accent. Tomorrow
Tomorrow.
is the first day of school. You said that is
Yes.
different. And we try to make like this. That's why you have to try read
Loud.
correctly
Read
and
correctly.
loudly.
Oh, read
Membaca
correctly
dengan
and
benar
loudly.
dan dikeraskan. Tomorrow is the first day of school. Barbara looks at her backpack. Yeah. It has holes. It is dirty. We make louder. Keraskan suaranya. She needs a new one. Her mom takes her shopping. There are so many backpacks. One backpack has yellow stars. Another one has rainbow stripes. Barbara like this one. She buys it.
Tapi nggak jadi masalah kan kalau misalkan kita belajar Inggris tapi accentnya masih accent Jawa atau accent kan banyak accent.
No problem. Nggak ada masalah. Walaupun memang dalam nantinya, in the end, we try like, apa ya, try to be like a native ya. Biar seperti aslinya lah.
Oh, iya.
Iya gitu kan.
Tomorrow is the first of
Iya.
school. Yeah.
Tapi with your accent, because like they have so many dialogues in English with many accent, like Chinese you have different, Germany they have different, also Italian they speak different. Yeah, they speak different Italian. There are so many accent English in the world. So jangan khawatir, don't worry about that.
Don't worry about
Just
it.
speak
Just
what you comfort with that. Berbicaralah sehingga Anda nyaman. Anda nyaman. I saw YouTube one time, they ada istilah baru namanya Anglination.
Anglination.
Iya, jadi Inggris versi Indonesia.
Oh, ada.
Yeah. This is a woman Canadian, ya, dia dari Kanada.
Kanada.
Tapi
Canadian.
she speak bahasa very well.
Speak bahasa sangat bagus sekali.
Bagus, it's like us, seperti kita. So they make sometimes they mengoreksi where is the the wrong, the right, what we pronounce in English. So it's no problem if you say in Indonesian accent.
Yes, maybe I want asking Mr. Arifin.
Yes.
Saat ini kan Pak Arifin udah expert nih dalam Inggris.
No,
bisa
not so
ya
expert.
enggak?
I just-
Maksudnya apa namanya? Lihai ya, lihai dalam bahasa Inggris.
Not so-
Apakah masih terus membaca dalam bentuk Inggris atau masih terus practice?
Yeah,
rutin?
as much as I
Repeat.
can. Also, when you remember when I meet you, I always, "Hi Bobby, how are you today?"
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you feel it? Iya kan, kau merasakannya. I try to speak English to anyone, to anybody, to everybody. To every day. When I meet some people who knows English, just
Gitu.
yeah, I speak like that. Or I have like when I meet some words in, it's like saying that I don't know all the meaning. What is this? Jadi setiap hari kita harus minimum one words lah.
Minimum
per day.
words ya. per
Per
day.
day. One day, one word.
Masya Allah. Jadi tentunya ketika kita learning English, maka ways jalan yang mudah,
Yeah.
jalan yang mudah harus kita lalui. Itu adalah dengan reading, banyak membaca,
Banyak membaca. As much as you can.
as much as
You
you
can,
can.
Mitra GIC, you can try at home or just at home, anywhere, dimanapun Anda berada. Masya Allah. Yeah. Or wherever you are, you just read it. If you have time, just read it in English literature. Just read it, membaca as much as you can. You try on 3 months, and I guarantee you will be better in English.
Masya Allah.
Coba 3 bulan membaca literatur bahasa Inggris, kalau bisa daily, setiap hari, berturut-turut.
3 bulan.
Iya.
Daily.
And you feel it. Rasakan itu. What's the difference? Perbedaannya.
Luar biasa sekali.
Iya.
Jadi tentunya Mitra JC banyak membaca. Kalau dictionary itu berarti kosakata ya.
Dictionary itu kamus.
Kamus.
many words.
Vocabulary
itu kata, kosakata.
Kalau pronunciation adalah pengucapan.
Pronunciation. Ya.
Mungkin kita selain membaca buku, mungkin kita juga bisa membaca subtitle yang ada di film kali.
Yeah, this is the next step.
Next step.
After, we try with